Edification, building up or tearing down? Edification, a cornerstone of Christian community, yet often misunderstood. In 1 Corinthians 14:3, Paul states, "But he that prophesieth speaketh unto men to edification and exhortation and comfort." However, in 1 Corinthians 8:1, he warns, "Knowledge puffeth up, but charity edifieth." So, does edification come from knowledge or love? Perhaps true edification isn't about showcasing our wisdom, but about building each other up in love. Start your day with a twist of divine irony. Subscribe to Holy Contradictions and receive an inspiring thought in less than 1 minute with each episode, brightening your morning faster than your coffee can brew.